In this video, we will show you how to replace your HVAC recirculation blend door actuator on this Honda Accord. This will be located under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We'll have to make our way underneath the passenger side dash. In this area, you're going to find a plastic panel. Go ahead and take hold of it and gently give it a tug straight down. We'll give that a quick inspection and we can set that aside. Now with that panel out of the way, we have a clear view of the actuator located along the left-hand side of the blower box. For this, you'll find you have one electrical connector. It's green. Go ahead and squeeze the locking tab and remove that. Of course, we'll give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, you can set that aside. Continue on to your 3 Phillips head screws. You'll find that you have 2 of these along the bottom of the actuator. The third one's a little harder to get to up along the top. I'll start with the top one first. All right, there's one screw. Let's move along to the other 2. Now we can do the other 2. There's the second one. Let's get this last one out of here. All right. Once you remove that screw, you can remove the actuator. Okay, let's get ready for installation of our brand new actuator. Now under this area, before we install our blend door actuator, we need to pay attention to the lever where the blend door actuator will slide into. We'll align the lever that's on the actuator with the corresponding hole. Slide this in and align each and every one of our 3 mounting bolt holes as well. We need to have all 3 of these points aligned. There we are. Once you're sure you have everything properly aligned, continue on with your 3 mounting screws. Start them all in, and then you can snug them up. Keep in mind, as you're tightening these, you are only screwing into plastic. We don't want to strip anything out. We just want to make sure this is nice and tight. Get that last one up there. Now that we have all 3 of those tight, let's continue on to our 1 wiring harness. That's the green connector. We'll slide that right into place. Press it in, listen for a click, double check to make sure it's completely secured. Now we can prepare to install our lower panel on that dash. We'll make sure we align the mounting points. Press it into position. Double check to make sure it's completely secured all the way across. Okay friend, we've got our car back together. At this point, put the key in the on position and test the actuator functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.